Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Pal, and I welcome to everyone in my channel Asirvad English Gyan. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead. So in this video, I am going to explain past continuous tense. As you can see on the screen, the ID is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. It's mean if the sentence is ending with रहा था, रही थी, that is called past continuous tense. So the structure is subject plus helping verb plus V4 plus object. For example, here we use was and were. For the we use was with I, he, she, it, name and singular noun. We use were with you, we, they, plural noun. मैं सो रहा था. For example, I was sleeping. मैं नहीं सो रहा था. I was not sleeping. As like you can see on the screen, क्या मैं सो रहा था? Was I sleeping? मैं क्यों सो रहा था? Why was I sleeping? Let's move on second one. वह टीवी देख रहा था. He was watching TV. वह टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. He was not watching TV. क्या वह टीवी देख रहा था? Was he watching TV? वह टीवी क्यों देख रहा था? Why was he watching TV? Let's move on third one. As you can see on the screen, वह पानी पी रही थी. She was drinking water. वह पानी नहीं पी रही थी. She was not drinking water. क्या वह पानी पी रही थी? Was she drinking water? वह पानी कहाँ पी रही थी? Where was she drinking water? Let's move on fourth one. As you can see on the screen, गीता एक गाना गा रही थी. गीता was singing a song. गीता एक गाना नहीं गा रही थी. गीता was not singing a song. क्या गीता एक गाना गा रही थी? Was गीता singing a song? गीता एक गाना कहाँ गा रही थी? Where was गीता singing a song? Let's move on were. So guys, we use were with you, we, they, plural noun. So here the structure is तुम लिख रहे थे. Simple, you were writing. तुम नहीं लिख रहे थे. You were not writing. क्या तुम लिख रहे थे? Were you writing? तुम क्यों लिख रहे थे? Why were you writing? Let's move on second one. हम नाच रहे थे. We were dancing. हम नहीं नाच रहे थे. We were not dancing. क्या हम नाच रहे थे? Were we dancing? हम क्यों नाच रहे थे? हम कहाँ नाच रहे थे? Where were we dancing? वे बात कर रहे थे. As you can see, simple, they were talking. वे बात नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not talking. क्या वे बात कर रहे थे? Were they talking? वे बात कैसे कर रहे थे? How were they talking? Let's move on fourth one. बच्चे नाच रहे थे. Children were dancing. बच्चे नहीं नाच रहे थे. Children were not dancing. क्या बच्चे नाच रहे थे? Were children dancing? बच्चे कहाँ नाच रहे थे? Where were children dancing? So guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.